Hi there, welcome to my program again. Good to see you. Today I should be talking about 6 easy ways to remain attractive. So, 6 easy ways to remain attractive. Alright? Being attractive does not require so much effort or so much money. Being attractive simply means appearing in a pleasing way or in an appealing way. So, a woman is always expected to remain attractive. How do you make yourself more pleasing or more appealing without spending so much money? I will give you 6 easy ways you can do that without noticing or putting much effort. So number one is your clothes doesn't have to be very expensive. Being attractive does not mean appearing expensive. Being attractive just means coming out and looking so beautiful and appealing. You can just do that by keeping yourself neat, wearing clothes that suits you, clothes that have bright colors, and clothes that reflect your skin tone and makes you more appealing. So number two, being attractive does not mean wearing Chanel or wearing Gucci. It's not all about the designers. Being attractive is simply all about appearing very confident in the clothes you choose to wear. But I would like to say that quality is important. So find clothes that are beautiful and durable. Clothes that can withstand your pressure during the day. So don't wear clothes that when you lift your hands, there will be a crack. So mind you, nice clothes can be affordable and still very much attractive. It mustn't be the designers. And number three, how do you make yourself more appealing? Mind you, the first time you come out, you only have one opportunity to make your first impression. When somebody sees you for the first time, or when you pass the way, you have that chance to make your first impression. So always carry yourself with grace. When you walk on the way, carry yourself with grace. Don't walk slouchily. Walk with some courage. Your charisma, your posture, and courage is always very important to make you appealing and smart. So number four, always treat your body with respect. And this means watching your weight. This means eating healthy. This means taking time to check your health. Check your blood pressure, check your temperature, see a doctor when you're sick. Invest in perfumes and body sprays. Invest in deodorant. A woman's best friend should be her deodorant. A woman is expected to smell nice at all times. That is very, very attractive and very appealing. When you walk into the office, someone should know you're there. When you walk into the house or the room, your husband, your friend should know that you just arrived. A woman who smells like kitchen all the time, that's not attractive. A woman who smells like work all the time, that's not so attractive. Find a way to maintain your fragrance and your smell. So number five, always wear your hair neat. You don't have to wear your wig for 1 month. You don't have to wear the wig for too long when the hair is sweating. Wear your hair wigs at a number of days that is affordable for you to change and keep them clean. Do not allow it to sweat a lot and become smelly. Instead of you to wear a wig for too long and become smelly, remove the wig, wash your hair and oil your hair. Pack your hair neatly and that will serve. A woman should appear neat. Your hair is the symbol of your personality. Most women have a hairdo, a trademark kind of hairdo, because that is a symbol. Your hair must always be neat. A clean hair is attractive, very, very attractive. And the final but not the least is this: always keep your nails clean. Make sure you visit the lounge, the beauty lounge, from time to time. Keep appointment with your beautician. Make sure your nails are clean. You can afford a manicure and a pedicure, you do one. And if you can't afford fixing nails or keeping your nails very attractive, you can keep your nails like mine. Cut your nails, keep them clean, and that will serve. As a matter of fact, natural is more appealing. So keep your nails short,